What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest machines on four wheels. And today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most important luxury crossovers on the market, the all-new 2026 Lexus NX. This is the SUV that sits right at the heart of Lexus lineup, and for 2026 it's more refined, more tech-packed, and more confident than ever. Lexus has taken everything people loved about the NX and sharpened it even further, making this compact luxury SUV a serious contender against rivals from BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. So buckle up, because we're about to explore whether the 2026 Lexus NX truly delivers the premium experience buyers expect. Exterior. Right from the first glance, the front end of the 2026 Lexus NX makes a bold statement. Lexus' signature spindle grille is still very much present, but it's been subtly evolved to look cleaner and more integrated into the body. The mesh pattern feels more modern, and the surrounding trim gives the front fascia a wider and more aggressive stance. Flanking the grille are slim, razor-sharp LED headlights that give the NX a focused and almost futuristic expression. The daytime running lights sit higher and flow seamlessly into the body lines, while the lower bumper features sculpted air intakes that add a sporty edge without going over the top. Everything about the front design feels intentional, premium, and unmistakably Lexus. As you move along the side profile, the 2026 NX continues to impress with its sharp character lines and well-balanced proportions. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving the SUV a dynamic silhouette without sacrificing interior headroom. Strong creases run along the doors, catching light in a way that makes the NX look athletic even when standing still. Depending on the trim, you'll find stylish alloy wheels ranging from elegant designs to more aggressive sporty finishes, all filling the wheel arches nicely. Blacked-out pillars create a floating roof effect, and subtle chrome or gloss black accents add just the right amount of flair. It's a design that manages to be sophisticated and youthful at the same time. At the rear, the 2026 Lexus NX ties everything together with a clean and modern look. The standout feature here is the full-width LED taillight bar that stretches across the tailgate, instantly giving the SUV a wider and more upscale appearance. The Lexus lettering replaces the traditional badge, reinforcing the brand's modern design direction. The rear bumper is sculpted with care, featuring subtle diffuser-style elements and integrated reflectors that add visual depth. Dual exhaust outlets on certain trims hint at the performance potential beneath the surface. Overall, the rear design feels confident, polished, and perfectly in line with the NX's luxury sport identity. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Lexus NX, and you're immediately greeted by an interior that feels thoughtfully crafted and unmistakably premium. Lexus has doubled down on quality, using soft-touch materials, refined stitching, and well-chosen textures throughout the cabin. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, wrapping around you in a way that makes everything feel within easy reach. At the center sits a large high-resolution touchscreen that handles infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings with improved responsiveness and clarity. Physical controls are still present where they matter most, striking a nice balance between modern tech and everyday usability. The seats in the NX are comfortable and supportive, making long drives feel effortless. Higher trims bring upgraded leather upholstery, heating and ventilation, and power adjustments that allow you to find the perfect driving position. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin at night, creating a relaxing and upscale atmosphere. The digital instrument cluster provides crisp graphics and customizable displays, while a head-up display on select trims keeps important information right in your line of sight. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, with generous legroom, comfortable seating, and rear air vents ensuring everyone rides in comfort. Cargo space remains practical for daily use, easily accommodating groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a range of powertrain options designed to suit different driving styles. The standard turbocharged engine delivers smooth and responsive power, making city driving effortless and highway cruising calm and composed. Acceleration feels confident without being aggressive, perfectly matching the NX's refined character. For those looking for better efficiency, Lexus continues to offer hybrid variants that combine strong fuel economy with quiet, seamless performance. The hybrid system transitions smoothly between electric and gasoline power, making it ideal for daily commuting and long drives alike. On the road, the NX shines with its balanced ride quality. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections while still providing a connected and controlled feel through corners. Steering is precise and light, making the NX easy to maneuver in tight spaces, yet stable at higher speeds. All-wheel drive options enhance traction and confidence, especially in challenging weather conditions. This isn't a hardcore performance SUV, but it delivers exactly what most luxury crossover buyers want: comfort, confidence, and refinement. Safety and driver assistance features are another strong point for the 2026 Lexus NX. Lexus' latest safety suite comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more. These systems work smoothly in the background, enhancing safety without feeling intrusive. The NX also benefits from improved camera systems and parking aids, making urban driving and tight parking situations far less stressful. Now let's talk pricing, because that's where the NX continues to be a compelling option. The 2026 Lexus NX is expected to start at a competitive price point for the luxury compact SUV segment, with higher trims and hybrid models climbing accordingly. While it may not be the cheapest option in its class, the level of build quality, technology, reliability, and resale value Lexus is known for makes it a strong value proposition. Buyers get a premium experience without stepping into overly expensive territory. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Lexus NX? Simply put, this is a luxury SUV that knows exactly what it wants to be. It's stylish without being flashy, comfortable without being boring, and packed with technology without feeling overwhelming. Lexus has refined nearly every aspect of the NX, making it more competitive than ever in a crowded segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family-friendly crossover, or a comfortable long-distance cruiser, the NX checks all the right boxes. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Lexus NX, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the new NX. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. That's the end.